Today I'm going to show you how you can invest for free. Have you ever been spammed with ads that tell you can invest with all the upside and avoid the downside? Well, if you're like me, you kind of sign up for a few of these boot camps and you realize it didn't work. Or worse, it kind of worked, but then you lost your money as quickly as you gained it and you have absolutely no idea why. So when I try to think back to why this happened to me, it's because I was simply lazy. The truth is, all these short courses, the weekend boot camps, the one-day session, and the YouTuber's recommendation really appeal to the lazy side of me because I don't want to do the research yet. I want to be able to invest and benefit from the gains. So when you think about it properly, all these information is actually available online for free. But it takes a lot of effort to organize everything and go through the work to learn them and practice them. So I'm going to do the work for you to organize everything, and all you have to do is just follow along and study with me. So what I've learned is that investing is like a craft, kind of like cooking. So you can watch all the videos in the world, but that doesn't make you good because you actually need to practice if you want to be good. Now I want to invite you to join me, and together we're going to learn all of that for free. So here's my plan. Step 1, I'm going to develop a public curriculum. So I'm going to put it on a Notion template, all the different content that you need to learn to become a good or decent investor. So my strategy is to learn from the best in academia and in practice. So here's what I come up with. Feel free to let me know what's better and I'll add it to the list. So step 2, I'm going to study all of them and I invite you to study with me together. We can share notes. And step number 3, I'm going to do stock analysis and practice, and really practice and become good at it. So I'm going to document all my notes in this channel, so subscribe if you want to stay tuned. Take care and have a wonderful day.